Hello children, I hope you all are safe and secure at your home. Let us start our day with an inspirational quote. Never leave things for tomorrow, which you can do it today. It means time never waits for anyone. The situation of tomorrow will be different, and there will be some other work you will be engaged in. So, never leave any work for later, which can be done now, and or you can say which can be done today. Okay, so today we are going to see topic number 1.8, reading time. Okay. Children, can you see what is this? This is a picture of our classroom. Can you see? Yes. Now, let's have a look at things which you see in our classroom. What is that? Blackboard. Correct. Then chalk. Table. Chair. Bench and desk. Books. Door. Windows. Charts. Projector. Cupboard. And a dustbin. Now children, let's start the reading with the help of these pictures. So today's our topic is 1.8, reading time. So now we are going to read, but in a little bit different way. We will read using the pictures. Okay. Take out your textbook, keep your finger over there. Okay. And we will start the reading. This is my classroom. There is a, what is this? Yes, right, that is a blackboard on the wall. Our teacher writes on it with a, what is that? Yes, correct, that is chalk. The teacher has a table to keep her books on. She also has a, what is this? Yes, right, chair to sit on. She is busy the whole day. So with the help of pictures, we have read the first paragraph. You have understood that there is a big blackboard in our class on the wall, and our teacher writes on it with a chalk, and she has a table to keep the books on, and she also has a chair to sit on, and she is always busy the whole day. We have, what is this? Bench to sit on and desk to keep our books on. Our classroom has a door and 2 windows. There are many charts on the walls. In our class we have charts? Yes. The charts display children's work on various topics. So on the charts, the different work is depicted by the kids, that is display over there. Our teacher also shows us short films, songs and stories with the help of the projector. Do we? Yes, we see different stories, different poems and films over the projector. It is fun to watch the films. You all like to watch the movies or films? Yes, right. There is a cupboard near the wall. We keep our material there. There is a, what is this? Dustbin. In the corner, we keep our classroom clean. So, if we keep all the litters in the dustbin, our classroom will be neat and clean. Okay, children? So, this is our reading time. So, we read with the help of these pictures. Okay? Now, see, now we have to read these words. You have to repeat after me. Okay? The first word is B-O-A-R-D, board. Second is C-H-A-L-K, chalk. T-A-B-L-E, table. C-H-A-I-R, chair. B-E-N-C-H-E-S, benches. D-E-S-K-S, decks. B-O-O-K-S, books. D-O-O-R, door. W-I-N-D-O-W-S, windows. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D, cupboard. D-U-S-T-B-I-N, dustbin. So these are the words. Okay. Now it's your homework time. Now what do you have to do? You have to draw pictures of the things in your classroom. Which all things you have in your classroom, you have to draw the pictures. Now B number is describe your classroom in 5 sentences with the help of words given below. So children, this chapter is for self-study and you have to write these words, these 5 sentences using the words given below to describe your classroom. This is for your self-study, so you have to write down the question answers at your own. Try to do it. Okay, children? Let's meet in the next class. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.